Hey everyone, I'm Patrice and you are watching Patrice So Blessed. Today I am making a salmon salad. So you just watch me, see if you like it. I will tell you the benefits of it while I make it, but right now I'm just trying to let you know what's going down. It is late. I am tired and but I'm hungry and I was like, I'm gonna record this. Yeah, this is healthy enough. It's light, and I can eat it for lunch tomorrow. But and just have a couple bites tonight. But anyway, yeah. So anyway, salmon salad. Watch me. See if you like it. Make it. And I'll tell you the benefits while I cook it. All right. Okay, so we have the romaine lettuce already cleaned off, and so let's talk about the benefits of the romaine lettuce. Excuse my nails right now. But yeah, so anyway, romaine lettuce has fiber and it's high in minerals like calcium and magnesium. And also it has vitamins, a few vitamins that include vitamin C and vitamin K. So that's the benefit of the romaine lettuce. Cilantro has a lot of benefits. And the benefits include that it's actually, what I like about it is it removes harmful metals out your body. It also supports heart health, which is a big thing in my family because with my mom and my dad, I noticed like it's always some heart something, which is, yeah. But anywho, yeah, so that's a big deal. Also, it balances blood sugar, and usually they talk about like with the black culture or African American culture that diabetes and everything. So cilantro is probably a really good thing to put in our diet. Then also it protects the brain and it supports vision because it has vitamin K. So that's another good thing. So I would add cilantro in the diet, like often actually. So here we have the onions, which we have the green and the red onion. And onions have benefits to onions have been, oh, fuck this. Here we have the jalapeno, which is good because it provides migraine relief, and that's because it contains capsaicin, and it improves the immune system because it has vitamin C. But be careful because it is hot, so not everybody can eat this, especially like people that can't take much hot food, or sometimes when people get older. I know for my mom that was the case, so I couldn't put too much spicy stuff in there. However, you can just add a little bit, not too much, to your diet. So here we have the tomato, and the tomato is good because it can help against heart disease. It also contains vitamin C and vitamin K, so this is another good one to just add to your diet, especially your salad. Very good for heart disease. Yeah. I have the avocado that I'm adding to the salad, and it's very good because it has a lot of vitamins in it. So you got vitamin C, E, K, B6, all of that in this, and you're gonna get your good fats from the avocado. So this is a good one to add too. But remember, we're doing salmon as well, so this is really good. This is a really good salad for your skin, your heart, you know. So, yeah, this is a good salad for those things, among other things, your immune system, everything. But it's a really good salad for moisturizing. Yeah. Okay, and now we have the salmon, which the salmon is good in it has the fatty acids, the omega-3 fatty acids that we need. So it also is a good source of protein. And a good source of vitamin B. So this is a great healthy protein to eat. So that was sea salt that I was using, the peppercorn, black pepper. This is just something, I guess it's for chicken, but I wanted the sweetness of it, so I'm gonna use this spice rub. See, it's sea salt, honey, garlic, mustard in it, so I just need a little bit of it, or next I'm definitely putting garlic. Gotta put that garlic on there. My mom always she loved garlic. Everything had garlic. Like, it cleans you out. I'm gonna add a little bit of red pepper just because I want like a sweet, spicy, rich flavor when I put the butter on it. And I think this is just a preference for me. You don't have to put this, but I need a little bit of seasoning, just a little teeny tiny bit of seasoning salt, just a little bit. little bit. Okay, next I got the extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just gonna put that in the pan, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up in here, and then I'm going to cook this thing right here, cook this meat, and show you the end product. Oh yeah, and I like to add a little bit of butter. Sorry y'all, just a little bit. I like the flavor of it, so I'm gonna add some of that. So I'm gonna let that cook a little bit, just sear it. I got it on a higher temperature right now just to get it hot, and then just cook it really quick. See, it's sizzling up already. Yes, Lord. So I just kept it on high heat for not long, a little bit, and brought it down a little bit. We should be good. It won't take long. I had to do a taste test, y'all. It's so damn good. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's done. So thank you for watching. Be blessed. I hope you like this video. I hope you like the meal. Thank you for watching, and be blessed. Be blessed and stay blessed. Okay? All right. Bye.